Hello guys, welcome to our channel. I hope this lecture will find you in a good health. Today we will talk about the most repeated interview question, that is the difference between encapsulation and abstraction. Most of the people thinks encapsulation and abstraction is same, but this is not the case. Both have the different concepts. Let's discuss the difference between abstraction and encapsulation. Encapsulation is a mechanism of bundling the data and the functions that use them. Guys, it means that encapsulation provides the facility of class and object. With the help of object, we can use the data and the member functions together. Basically, class provides the facility to bind the data members and functions together. Whereas data abstraction is a mechanism of exposing only the interfaces and hiding the implementation details from the user. Guys, it means that data abstraction provides the facility to only show the important properties and hide the details how those properties work. Let's understand the abstraction with the help of an example. Suppose when you turn on the TV, you just click a button and TV turns on. You don't need to understand how the infrared waves gives the command to the TV to turn on. Basically, this is possible with the help of abstraction, where the user only knows the important details and the other details and the implementation detail is hidden from the user. I hope guys now the concept of encapsulation and abstraction is clear. If you want to know the details of encapsulation and abstraction, then you can watch the other videos related to encapsulation and abstraction, which is also present in this channel. Thank you guys.